Alright, let's look at these ratios. Basically, a ratio is comparing two subgroups within a larger group. That's it. That's all it is. For example, let's look at an example. Let's pretend that you have a class with 23 students, and 9 of those students are girls, and 14 of those students are boys. The ratio for that class would be 9 to 14, or 9 to 14. Either way is writing is correct. Now here's some important information you need to know. This is important information because when dealing with ratios, the item that appears first in the description when it's written will be the first number written, and it doesn't matter whether that number is larger or smaller. You always go in the same order. That's an important thing to remember. I want to look at some M&Ms. I'd rather eat the M&Ms, but let's count them instead. Okay, I have some green M&Ms and some blue M&Ms. If I count them, I have 5 green M&Ms and 8 blue M&Ms. So that's 5 to 8, or written 5:8, or 5/8. Those are all correct ways to write it. 5 green, 8 blue, a total of 13 M&Ms. We also have something now called a tape diagram, where we can use boxes to represent the different M&Ms. 5 green, 8 blue. Now I want you to try some of these. These aren't too hard. Your mother brings home a bag of apples. After dumping them out on the table, you discover that 5 of them are green and 12 of them are red. What would the ratio be? Pause now and answer this question. Hey, if you said 5 to 12 or 5:12, you're right. Alright, how about this one? Let's try another one. The veterinarian on Lamar sees a combination of dogs and cats each day. On a typical day, she sees 7 dogs and 9 cats. What would the ratio be? Pause now and try this one. Hey, if you got 7 to 9, or 7:9, or 7/9, you are correct. Good job. Now let's see if you can make a tape of the same one, 7 to 9. See if you can get this one. You should have got something like this, with 7 dog boxes and 9 cat boxes. Did you get it? If you did, great job. We're going to do a lot more of that tape stuff next time. That's the end of this one. Hope you did a good job.